right, y'all, so plan A was to try to hook something up to this to try to pull it away from this fence here, but that's not going to happen. So now we're going to try to cut some of these beams here and see if we can't get it to lay over a little bit and be able to get some more there at the top. So let's see how it goes.
Yep, there you go. Hold on, let me.
Yep.
Harley, come here. You're good. Oh yeah, buddy.
right, y'all, as you can see, the roof is now gone. We got some cleanup that we're probably gonna do tomorrow, and then get a dumpster or something to get rid of some of this other crap that's over here. I saw that snake again, didn't get it on video though, so maybe next time. Y'all, that's going to be the end of this video. Got a lot of work done, like I said, just working towards the goal of being able to use this area, use this space for something, clear it out, make it look nice. It's kind of an eyesore right now. I saw that snake again. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. I did not get it on camera, but I'm hoping I will tomorrow as we get this stuff cleaned up. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.